Have you ever seen a field of rice? It often looks like a beautiful watery mirror. This special field is called a paddy field, a piece of land flooded with water, where rice, one of the world's most important foods, is grown. For many people, rice is a daily staple, providing energy and strength. The sight of a green paddy field under a blue sky is a symbol of life and sustenance. These fields are not just farms, they are landscapes of culture and history, passed down through generations. Paddy fields are man-made wetlands, carefully built to hold water. Farmers create flat terraces, often on hillsides, each surrounded by a small earth wall called a bund to keep water in. The water covers the soil, creating a shallow pool, the secret to healthy rice. Why so much water? It's not just for drinking. The water protects rice, helps it absorb nutrients, and keeps away weeds and pests. The flooded field is a complete system, a small world where rice thrives. This method shows how farmers work with nature to produce food for billions. From river deltas to mountain terraces, paddy fields are a testament to human ingenuity and respect for nature's cycles. When we look at a paddy field, we see tradition, science, and a way of life that has sustained humanity for centuries. Flooding a field may seem simple, but it holds profound wisdom. It's a dance between farmer, plant, and water, a partnership that feeds the world. The paddy field is more than a farm, it's a living legacy. Every flooded field tells a story of survival, adaptation, and harmony with the land. This ancient practice continues to nourish both people and the earth. The next time you see a bowl of rice, remember the watery fields that made it possible. The wisdom of the paddy field is a lesson in working with, not against, nature. Flooding a paddy field is a careful, deliberate act. The farmer decides when and how much water to let in. A practice called irrigation. Water comes from rivers, streams, or collected rain, creating the perfect environment for rice. After planting young rice seedlings, water is slowly introduced, covering the field in a shimmering layer. Most plants would drown with their roots underwater, but rice is different. Rice has hollow stems, like tiny straws, that carry air from leaves to roots, letting it breathe even when submerged. The water in the paddy field often flows gently from one terrace to the next, keeping it fresh and full of nutrients. Water depth is carefully managed, shallow for young plants, deeper as they grow. This control is a skill learned over years, a quiet conversation between farmer and field. Flooding is more than watering. It's a complete system of cultivation. The water is the foundation of the paddy field ecosystem. It creates the perfect conditions for rice to flourish, refined over centuries. The flooded field is a harmony of human effort and natural process. Water is not just an ingredient, it's the key to unlocking rice's potential. This method is a beautiful example of working with nature's design. The farmer's relationship with water is at the heart of rice cultivation. Every drop is managed with care, ensuring the rice grows strong. Flooding is the secret behind the world's rice harvests. It's a tradition that continues to feed millions, season after season. Weeds are a farmer's constant challenge, competing with crops for sunlight, water, and nutrients. In most fields, farmers spend hours pulling weeds or using chemicals. But in a paddy field, water is the natural solution. The constant layer of water makes it hard for most weeds to grow. Weed seeds can't sprout underwater. Rice, with its special ability to breathe underwater, thrives where weeds cannot. This is natural weed control. The water acts as a barrier, letting rice outcompete its rivals. By keeping the field flooded, farmers save time and avoid harsh chemicals. Before harvest, the field is drained and some weeds may appear, but by then, the rice is strong and shades out new growth. The main battle against weeds is won early, thanks to water. This clever use of flooding is a simple, effective, and environmentally friendly method. It's a perfect example of letting nature do the work. The flooded paddy field is a masterclass in smart, sustainable farming. Pests threaten rice crops, but the flooded paddy field offers natural protection. Many pests, like ants and ground insects, can't survive in water, and their eggs or larvae drown in the flooded soil. The water acts as a moat, shielding rice from harm. The paddy field quickly becomes a vibrant ecosystem, attracting helpful creatures. Frogs lay eggs in the water, and their tadpoles swim among the rice roots. Adult frogs and dragonflies hunt insects that might damage the rice. Some farmers even introduce fish, like carp or tilapia, which eat pests and weeds while fertilizing the water with their waste. The flooded field supports a natural pest control army. This integrated system keeps the rice healthy without chemicals. Every element helps the others, creating a balanced, thriving farm. The water is both shield and habitat, making the paddy field resilient. A healthy farm is a diverse farm, full of life working together. The flooded paddy is a model of natural pest management. The flooded paddy field does more than control weeds and pests. It creates the perfect home for rice. Water regulates soil temperature, acting like a blanket to protect roots from heat and cold. On hot days, water absorbs heat, keeping soil cool. At night, it releases warmth, preventing cold stress. This stable environment lets rice focus on growing, not just surviving. The soft, muddy soil is easy for roots to spread through, anchoring the plant and helping it absorb nutrients. The water's stability means less stress and more energy for growth. This leads to taller plants and bigger harvests. The flooded field is a sanctuary where rice can flourish. Creating the ideal home is the first step to a healthy crop. The paddy field's environment is as important as its nutrients. It's a complete support system for rice. Rice is a thirsty plant, needing a steady supply of water to thrive. Flooding ensures rice roots are always surrounded by water, so the plant never suffers from drought. In dry soil, plants wilt and struggle, but in a paddy, rice grows vigorously. Water is essential for transpiration, the process that moves nutrients from soil to leaves and cools the plant. With constant water, rice can grow tall and healthy, especially during flowering and grain formation. A shortage of water at this stage means a smaller harvest. By keeping the field flooded, farmers guarantee a full, heavy head of rice. The simple act of flooding is directly linked to abundant food. The paddy field's water is life for the rice plant. Every harvest depends on this reliable supply. Flooding is the foundation of a bountiful rice crop. The soil beneath a paddy field is rich and fertile, thanks to the water above it. Flooding pushes out air, creating low oxygen conditions that unlock nutrients like phosphorus and iron for rice roots. The water also stabilizes soil pH, keeping it just right for rice. Irrigation water brings silt and organic matter, adding natural fertilizer with every flood. Over time, this process keeps the soil productive year after year. Special bacteria and blue-green algae thrive in flooded soil, fixing nitrogen from the air into food for rice. These tiny helpers provide a constant, free supply of natural fertilizer. The flooded paddy is nature's own fertilization system. Every season, the field renews itself. The water-soil partnership is the secret to lasting fertility. The flooded paddy field is a model of sustainability, a system that endures without depleting the earth. The cycle of flooding, growing, and harvesting creates a resilient ecosystem. Water ties everything together, ensuring long-term productivity. After harvest, rice straw is left in the field to decompose, returning nutrients to the soil. This recycling builds up organic matter, making the soil rich, spongy, and full of life. Such soil holds water and nutrients well, resisting erosion. Unlike chemical-heavy farms, paddy fields remain fertile for generations. The system generates its own fertility, controls weeds, and supports natural pest predators. It's self-sufficient and resilient, needing fewer outside inputs. By working with natural cycles, farmers create enduring, gentle agriculture. The paddy field is a living example of wisdom in harmony with nature. Every season, the field gives back as much as it takes. This is the heart of sustainable farming. Flooding paddy fields is a method born from centuries of observation and respect for rice's nature. By surrounding rice with water, farmers give it a home, a shield, and a team of helpers. This ancient technique holds lessons for today. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most powerful. Instead of fighting weeds and pests with chemicals, water creates conditions where problems solve themselves. The flooded field is a symbol of partnership between humans and land. Farming becomes stewardship, not domination. When we work with nature, we build soil, encourage biodiversity, and create thriving communities. Every bowl of rice is a reminder of the watery fields and the wisdom behind them. The paddy field is more than a technique. It's a philosophy of harmony. By understanding and respecting a single plant, we create systems that are productive, sustainable, and beautiful. The most profound solutions are often those nature has shown us all along. The flooded paddy is a living testament to this truth. It's a legacy of working with, not against, the rhythms of the earth.